students, let us see this question. If tan theta is equal to b by a, find cos 2 theta. So we will use this identity cos 2 theta in terms of tan theta. We have cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. It is given that tan theta is equal to b by a, so automatically tan square theta is equal to b square by a square. Substitute in this identity, so we will get the answer. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus b square by a square divided by 1 plus b square by a square. Take the LCM and do the simplification, then a square minus b square by a square divided by a square plus b square by a square. So after cancelling a square, so the final answer is a square minus b square divided by a square plus b